model, 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 90 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof Eco EU5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 243533. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp, Euro 5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for